The taste is good.
Is this legal?
It's illegal.
I think this is the best dessert pizza in the entire world.
Or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range, 'cause I've gone through.
Oh my god! Oh.
Woo! Little bit of whipping cream there. Voila, guys! Ooh, welcome from my studio, Iacopelli, and today it's going to be special, I promise. I mean, take a look of this. Take a look. Oh, come here, where are you going? Of this, I present you the best dessert pizza in the entire world. So when I say that, that means it's the best dessert pizza. And today I'm going to show you how to make this beast from scratch. Oh my God. Watch this video until the end. Smash the like. Guys, promise me that you're gonna make this at home after you watch this video. And let's make this video viral for the love of dessert. Enjoy this video. Watch this. Oh my God, I can't wait. I can't wait right now to show you how to make this pizza. I'm so proud. So proud by myself. Joking. If you want to see how to make the pizza dough, check out my channel. Everything is up here and with no secret. When you're making this pizza, the good thing of this pizza, you can make it anywhere. Also, if you're making it at home, this is the same. So it comes out the same. Voila. So boom, voila. The dough in the flour, little bit of flour on the floor. Guys, it's very important how you stretch this pizza. We're just gonna press lightly, not too much lightly on the crust. Leave the center and then tap on top. That's it. See? Tap. Just press, no stretch. Press like that, lightly. Then one end on top. Take off all the flour. Boom. Oh, I almost forgot. You need whipping cream, Nutella, heavy whipping cream, nuts, caramel, little bit of sugar in a cup. Voila. So at this point, let's flip it over. So we need to keep the top on top. Simple, guys. Remember, you need to have a spatula like this. Then we have to cut like a half of the spatula. So this is super easy. So cut straight. We do one, and then you measure like that, just the side of one spatula. So two, then voila. Measure and cut. Measure and cut. And then this one we go in the center like that. 5. Make sure the cut, they are all the same side. And then this is the nice thing of this pizza. Let's get a little bit of Nutella and we put the Nutella inside this, in between these cuts. So just like that, boom. You don't want to put too much, otherwise the Nutella, then I'll explain you in a little bit. Otherwise the Nutella is gonna go ahead and come out and then it's gonna burn. Second step, we put a little bit of nuts inside, if you want to put nuts. If you don't want to put nuts, you want to use fruit, you can also use fruit. Voila. So at this point, guys, pay attention. We get the point here, and then we go towards the inside, and then we pinch it. And then tac, pinch the whole thing, and that's how we create a Nutella star, a star-shaped Nutella. There we go. Done. That's the star-shaped Nutella. But it's not done, the pizza, yet. It's now the funny part is this. Anyway, without the spatula, you cannot make this pizza. Now, a little bit of flour on the point. This way, doesn't get stuck, and we keep the shape. Voila. Pay attention to this part. You remember the sugar in the water, the sugar in the cup? Little bit of water, like that. Then with your finger, melt the sugar. It's gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. Melt the sugar and then lightly with your finger, the two finger, go on top, just the 2 points. Just the 2 points, guys. Of course, you're gonna get some water here and there. There we go. Done. Now we're gonna go ahead with the whipping cream in the center. Not too much. You don't want to put too much, just a little bit, and then spread the whipping cream everywhere inside the pizza. That's it. Now, again, little bit of flour under the point, under the 5 point, because it gets stuck. Oops. If it gets stuck, adios amigo. See this? Put a little bit of flour under. That's it. That's it. This is stuck. So go ahead and put flour under. That's it. Now, once we make sure it's not stuck, right away, guys, you have to do this in super fast. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Done. Now put a little bit of flour on the peel. Make sure the peel it needs with the hole. This way, all the flour that we put, it goes under. So now make sure to put the pizza on top of the peel. Move it a little bit lightly. This way, all the flour goes out, and fix it. And voila, guys, we are ready to go. Perfect. We are ready to go in the oven. Boom, one shot. Lower down the flame. And let's finish up to cook this pizza. The pizza is ready. Voila, guys, the good thing of this pizza, look at this, how soft, and then how the creamy made it inside the dough, nice and super like a sponge almost. This is better than a croissant. It's insane, the look and the taste of this pizza. Voila. So now we just cut, you remember, just like that. From where we cut, we continue to cut. This way we keep, this pizza is perfect for the, oh my god, take a look of the crust. Take a look of the, how insane is the crust inside. I mean, did you see? It's nice and soft. And now, let's go ahead and let's add more Nutella on top. We go only this way. I'm gonna go this way. So because I'm gonna show you, we're gonna put it everywhere on the pizza. Now we go with the caramel on top the opposite way, but just the time to cover the pizza. Boom. Voila, guys. Now at this point, let's cover up the pizza with the nuts on top everywhere. You want to keep a little bit of caramel and Nutella here and there, because when they are going, oh, I show you right now. Then little bit of whipping cream when you are when it's time to serve. We're gonna go ahead like that. You separate the point of the pizza. Ta ta ta! Oh my God, it smells so insane. So now we put a little bit of whipping cream inside the slice. Boom, a little bit outside. There we go, guys. The perfect Nutella, the perfect pizza dessert, it's ready. Please tell me what you think of this pizza in the comment. I mean, it's perfection. And then when they are going to eat the pizza, they're gonna grab a little bit of cream, and then they're gonna taste. I mean, guys, tell me if this is not the best pizza in the world, the best pizza dessert in the world. Please tell me what you think of this beast. But wait, I have a special friend of mine. They came from Italy, and then of course I had to make this. They never tasted before. I think this is the best dessert pizza in the entire world. Not joking, I can't wait. My mouth It's watering, the smell. Try this at home, please. Tag me on Instagram what you think. And then guys, let's see their reaction and see what they think of this pizza. It's insane, soft. It's getting dark, but we're gonna make it happen. Guys, are you guys ready? Yeah? Are you guys ready? The pizza is ready, so let's go ahead. Let's see. Okay, guys, so
In
English, sorry,
Okay.
I speak in English.
okay, guys, those are my friend YouTubers from Italy.
Hi, guys.
Of course,
Hi.
they came and they're gonna test this, not by myself. So we're gonna see their full reaction.
Oh my God.
They didn't see how I made it. So voila, guys.
Oh
Boom.
my god!
Oh my
Oh
God.
my
Pizza
god!
Stella.
Pizza dessert, Stella.
Pizza dessert.
Wow.
Yeah, everyone
I
wants
will
to
get
see.
this
That's
full
so
of
cool.
Nutella.
We came to Los Angeles just to eat the Vito's pizza.
Let's
Just
do
try
it.
it.
I'll taste with you guys.
Let's go.
Let's go. Fuck. The taste is so fucking good. You have to
Is
say.
this legal?
Is it
Is it
legal?
legal?
It's illegal.
Is it illegal?
I think so. It's absolutely perfect. I love it.
Is it full inside?
Yeah,
Is Nutella inside?
It's full.
Oh. Oh fuck.
I love this pizza.
So guys, now you make it. Surprise your loved one in
Oh, yeah.
at your house or your business. And guys, thank you so much for watching.
Oh yeah.
Pizza. We approve the pizza or
Piece number
Just
one.
so proud. If you do this pizza, call for me. I will come to your house. I just want to try another one.
Yeah.
Good job, bro. Good job.
Good job.
outstanding. Thank you guys for coming. I'll see you at the next one. Ciao.